Hi, welcome to Bakersfield College. We've got a great new course that we're offering this summer, and it's on project management software. What we're going to do is we're going to look at a few different types of software that you can use for managing projects. We're going to start with some free software, some software you can just download from the internet, and it works pretty good. It's maybe not the best, but it's kind of fun to play around with. Then we're going to move on to doing project scheduling in Excel. And Excel is, as you might know, a very powerful program, and it's well suited to doing project scheduling. And then the highlight of our class is we're going to work on Microsoft Project. Now you might be thinking, this isn't really much of a computer lab. I don't see any computers. And when I come to work in a software course, I think we should have some computers. Well, here's the neat part about this lab is it's full of computers. You just pull a lever and the computers pop up. So we've got a whole lab full of computers. I think we have something like 36 computers in here. And we're going to be practicing social distancing, so we can't have people at every computer station. But we have quite a bit of space in here, so we have at least enough room for 20 students, I think. The other thing about this course is it's going to be a hybrid course. So that means that we're going to do some of the work in the lab, and some of the work is going to be done remotely, both remote lectures and also working on the software remotely. Now, if you are very apprehensive about coming to the campus, or you don't have time to come to campus, that's okay too, because you can do this entire course remotely. Did I mention that there's no cost for the course? It's a non-credit course, which means you can't use the credit for this course to build into some other program. But you also don't have to pay any tuition, so it's a really good deal. You can't beat free. You can bring your own laptop and work in the lab. You can work on your own computer remotely. It's all the same software. And the way that works is we use a system called AppStream. And essentially our IT people load the software in the cloud, and we give you access to it. And so you'll be actually, even if you work on these computers, you're not really working on these computers, you're going to be working on a computer that's in the cloud. So it's a pretty awesome system. We've been using it for about 6 months now, and it works quite well. So sign up for the course, come and check it out, and learn how to use project management software. Thanks.